Introduction. Motion in a plane is called as motion in two dimensions, example projectile motion, circular motion, etc. For the analysis of such motion, a reference will be made of an origin and two coordinate axes x and y, scalar quantity. A quantity which does not depend on direction is called a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity have only magnitude. Examples: length, mass, density, speed, work, etc. Vector quantity. A quantity which depends on direction is called a vector quantity. Vector quantities have two characteristics, a magnitude and a direction. Examples: velocity, displacement, acceleration, force, momentum, torque, etc. Position and displacement vector. Position vector is a vector in a coordinate system that defines the position of a point in space with respect to some reference point. A displacement vector is the vector directing towards final position whose length is the shortest distance between the initial and the final point. Fig. A. Let P and P be the positions of the object at time t and t. The figure given above shows the position P and P with respect to the origin. Fig. B. The figure above shows an object traveling along a large path and coming back to the same point. In this case, the displacement is 0. The displacement vector only depends upon the initial and final position vectors. If an object travels a path and comes back to the same initial position. Unit vector. A unit vector is a vector of unit magnitude and points in a particular direction. It has no dimension and unit. It is used to specify a direction only. Example: find the unit vector of A is equal to 2ij to k. Solution: given vector, vector A is equal to 2ij to k. X component of the vector A is equal to 2, y component of the vector B is equal to 1, z component of the vector C is equal to 2. Magnitude of vector A is equal to vertical bar A. Vertical bar is equal to superscript 2 1 superscript 2 to superscript 2 is equal to 9 is equal to 3. A is equal to aibjck. A superscript to B superscript to C superscript 2. A is equal to 2ij to k. 3. A is equal to 2 3i 1 3j to 3k.